How many of you know that 95% of the people with multiple missing teeth or loose teeth in mouth have a problem of indigestion? How many of you know that loose teeth are associated with increased risk of blood pressure, heart diseases and diabetes? Yes, my friend, I Dr. Mayur Khairnar from Precision Dental World, your full mouth implant specialist. In this video, I'm going to cover 5 main reasons why you should remove your loose teeth. The reason number 1 you should remove your loose teeth is that loose teeth is associated with the systemic problem. The systemic problem in the sense, the loose teeth are basically a result of periodontal disease. It is nothing but an advanced gum disease. When periodontal disease happens, it has a link with your systemic health where it can affect your heart, it can affect your brain, it can affect your pancreas, it can affect your kidney, thereby affecting your heart diseases, your diabetic status and kidney problems. It is a proven fact that periodontal disease is associated with systemic health. The reason number 2 you should remove the loose teeth is because if you wait for a loose teeth to fall down by its own, the amount of bone which is going to be lost when the tooth fell down will be significantly higher. And why we need to preserve the jawbone is because that could be a bed for your future teeth, and which can be done with the help of a dental implants. When you think a loose teeth cannot be saved, it is good idea to extract them and replace with some fixed option rather than waiting for them to exfoliate by its own. The reason number 3 why you should remove a loose teeth is because of the most important problem of bad breath. Loose teeth is associated with bad breathing, and it can create a sense of embarrassment to you when you're in social gathering with your friends, families or with your spouse. So bad breath is one of the major reasons where a loose teeth is retained, patient suffers from a lot of bad breath problem. The 4th and the most important reason why you should remove your loose teeth and replace it with some fixed option is because loose teeth can affect your smile. If it can affect your smile, definitely your confidence and your self-esteem will be hampered. And if those things are hampered, the confidence and self-esteem, definitely your outcome, your opportunity can get affected. Because when you are interacting with any people, the first thing to be observed by anyone is your missing teeth or loose teeth. So it is very important to get your loose teeth replaced with a fixed option. A beautiful smile can be created in limited time period with a new technology. If you want to know that, you can click the I button on above section so that you will be taken to a video where a smile transformation was shown on a loose teeth page. The 5th reason why you should remove your loose teeth is because the loose teeth is associated with some kind of pain, and because of the pain problem, the chewing gets compromised and patients tend to gulp the food directly. This can lead to a indigestion problem. Yes, my friend, if you see this video, how the patient is eating something and because of a constant chewing, the food which was initially flat is converted into a round ball which is called bolus. Now this round ball is soft enough so that it can be gulped inside and it can be easily digested by your digestive juices in the stomach. It is very important to have a fixed teeth to have a proper digestion. Don't worry, my friends. If you still have that problem of loose teeth, it is easily possible now with the advanced technology to get those loose teeth replaced in 3 to 5 days with the help of dental implants. If you have few missing teeth or few loose teeth, still it is possible. If you have all loose teeth, still don't worry, it is possible to get yourself transition into fixed teeth like this, and definitely you can have a beautiful smile, you can have a beautiful function without waiting for long period of time. And it is always wise to not wait when you have a loose teeth, because for implants what we need is the bone, and more you wait, more the bone loss happens. So if you want to know more about this, you can click the link in the description. You can contact our team, you can have a chat support with them, and they can help you to get the best of your version. Thank you so much.